Hey everyone, this is Elvis from Zambian FX. In this video, I'm going to show you the tactics I used to catch these spikes and made close to 1,500 in less than 20 minutes. If you follow the same tactics, you'll be able to have the same results. All right, so let's get started. So when we started at first, the account was like this. I spotted that spikes were about to happen. I explained a little bit further on how I was combining the indicator that I was using. But as you can see, I was so sure that some spikes were about to happen. I hear many people saying you have to wait for the whole month for NFP, but I want to know that actually on this end we are not waiting for NFP, because we catch NFP almost every month, or almost every day, or every hour, or every minute. And this happens in boom and crash. All right, so as you can see, I am already into different trades right there, and I'm still entering even some more trades, as you can see. And the reason is because I am so very sure. So don't get confused with the indicators you may be seeing on my screen. Those are there just to assist me in getting my results quickly, but the most important thing it is to understand what the candlesticks are telling us, what the times are telling us, to understand the setup of the market. All right, I tell people the two important things in Forex is for you to be able to understand the market structure and price action, and this is what we are doing right here. As you can see, a mini spike has already been caught right there, but we are going to even enter more trades so that we can flip this account in less than 20 minutes. If you use the same strategy, I can assure you you'll be able to catch many spikes as much as possible. As you can see on the 30 minutes time frame there, I am going backwards and I'm confirming that we are actually at a place of high resistance, and that is how I know that that's a key area where we are going to catch a lot of spikes. I'm going to explain a lot of these tactics in another video. As you can see, another spike just happened right there, and the account is looking promising, and I know for sure that we are actually going to capture many spikes. The target is to flip this account and make a profit of more than $1,000, if possible even $1,400, $1,500. So as you can see, price seems to be going against us, but that's okay. It's part of the markets. Based on my indicators, I can already see that we are on the overbought zone, and I can also see that from the relative strength index that we have a pressure that is coming from the upside. So we know that some serious spikes are about to happen. And like I showed you on a 30 minutes time frame, you will notice that actually we have reached at a very key area where there is high resistance. So we expect the market to go backwards. As you can see there, I have almost 3 spikes that have already happened there, and based on how the behavior of my moving averages are going, I am already able to tell that we are able to catch some more spikes right there. And I can assure you that this is a strategy that I have used for some time now, and it is actually reliable, and you can use it too and get a similar results. Remember, when you catch some of these techniques, they give you freedom in everything that you do. All right, so right there, any minute from now, I'm expecting another spike. The reason is very simple, and the reason is because on the higher time frame, like I showed you, we are at a very, very key area. Like I've told you, people may confuse you with so many look at that, another spike has happened right there, and that's interesting because I believe another spike is actually supposed to happen any second from now also, and let's just wait and see. But another spike is almost happening right now, and the reason is very simple, because this market is not yet over sold. All right, this market is not yet oversold. In fact, from my analysis on a higher time frame, we are actually beginning to go on the downside. Look at that. So we are already in 1,200. Okay, it's going backwards a little bit, but it's fine. It will go a little bit backwards. That's how the markets behave. All right, if you want to understand how the markets behave, check my video on market structure, and you are going to understand that this is actually part of how the markets behave. All right, the most important things when you're trading forex, stocks, crypto, anything like that, you just need to understand how the market behaves and how price behaves. All right, so remember, boom and crash are part of the indices that most of the times they actually respect technical analysis. All right, so this is a bit different from the other commodities like forex, oil, gold, and the like that respond so much to fundamental analysis. All right, or to fundamental reasons. So in this case, I know for sure that a spike is about to happen. Let's just watch how the market is going to play, and we are going to come out smiling out of this trade with confidence. So look at that. On a 1 hour time frame, we have proper signs. Those are proper signs you can see right there. I can even get a cup of coffee and even leave my phone a little bit, because everything seems to be saying the same thing. Everything seems to be confirming that we are actually going into massive profit on this particular trade. All right, so in case it's the first time you've seen my content, please go and follow me on social media, on Facebook. That's a Zion FX Club. You can follow me, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I'll be sharing links to groups where I'll be offering some free stuff soon that are going to help you to become an expert in trading some of these commodities. All right, so we haven't been doing a lot of such things online because this thing, you have to make sure that you prove it yourself that what you have actually works before you can share it with anybody else. All right, so let's see what happens. I'm expecting a spike to happen any moment from now. As you can see, so it has gone back a little bit in the negative, but definitely something good is going to happen. All right, so let's just keep waiting a little bit. Any second from now. Reason is because we have reached another important key area in the charts, as you can see, and I expect a huge spike to happen. All right, so sometimes a little spike may happen, but it's okay, as long as from our calculations we are still able to tell that there's pressure coming from the upside to the downside. All right, there it is. That's another spike right there, and I expect it to happen even more. The reason it has stopped there, I believe it is because it is trying to respect that important key area in the past, but definitely another spike may happen, which should be able to push us in maybe 1,400 or somewhere there in profit. All right, so this is how it's done. This is how, it's not guesswork. You don't just jump in and guess anyhow. No. There's some rules. You need to understand the behavior of the markets. You need to understand the behavior of candlesticks, the behavior of price. All right, so forget about the indicators. The indicators you see on my screen are all tools. All right, the most important thing is not just knowing the tool, but knowing what results you are looking for, so that you end up using the right tool. All right, so like I've told you, most important thing, there it is. Can you see that one? Another spike has actually finally happened. So if you're finding value in my videos, I'm asking you to just go, make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe to my channel on YouTube, hit the bell notification so that you receive a notification every time I post new content. And I'll be posting a lot of content. I'll be showing you how to do some of these things so that you can learn by yourself. And I hope you get blessed, and I hope you sharpen your skill in trading the financial markets. So for now, I'd love to say bye bye and see you in the next video. So don't forget to follow. We are on social media, Facebook, Instagram. You can follow us also here on TikTok, and you can follow us as well on YouTube. All right, so see you in the next video, and I hope you got some value out of this one. See you. Bye bye.